Hello, it's Theo from Theo's Tech Tips, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Prometheus on Ubuntu. Let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is open up a terminal, and we need to type sudo apt update, and we need to enter our password, and then we need to type sudo apt install Prometheus. So now that we installed Prometheus, the next thing we need to do is configure it to recognize our servers and our jobs. So we need to type sudo nano/etc/prometheus/prometheus.yml, and this is what the configuration file looks like. So you need to go to the bottom, and you can see that they already have a job configured for Node Exporter. And Node Exporter is a tool that exports Prometheus metrics for the system CPU and the network and stuff like that. And you can see that they've configured Prometheus to pick up Node Exporter on our local machine. But to pick up the stats from the other machines, we need to go into this target section, and we're going to add a new address to this list. So we can just type comma and quotes, and we can type in our address for the other VM, which in my case is 192.168.65.20, and then we can go :9100, which is the port that Node Exporter runs on by default. And if we want to add another target, we can just do the same thing again. Now this assumes that you already have Node Exporter installed on the other machine, but if you don't, you can open up a terminal on the other machine and then type sudo apt install Prometheus-node-exporter, and this will install the Node Exporter on the target machine. So now that we've configured some Node Exporter targets, the cool thing about Prometheus is that we can have multiple jobs for different things. So if you have like a Spring Boot application, you can make a job for the Spring Boot application and then have multiple targets for that Spring Boot application. So to do this, we need to make a new section with job_name, and we're going to set that to spring-boot, and then we can specify some static configs to an array of targets, and then we can just put the address into the array just like we did with the Node Exporter. So you can just go 192.168.65.20:8080. And now Prometheus will be looking for Spring Boot metrics as well. So once you're done with your configuration, we can go Control-X to close it, and we can save the configuration file. And to refresh Prometheus, we can type sudo systemcdl restart Prometheus. And then we can check to see if it's running by typing systemcdl status Prometheus. And you can see that it's running. So now we can just open up a web browser, and then we can access our dashboard by typing localhost :9090. And there it is. So from here we can run a query to get a graph of the metrics. And Prometheus is very powerful, so we can run all sorts of different queries, and we can also filter it down by a specific metric. But that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm Theo from Theo's Tech Tips, and I'll see you next time. Bye!